Chapter 2, Variable for Strings. These examples are going to complete your Chapter 2 of Variable for Strings. Example 1, declare a variable for username. Let username. This creates an empty variable named username. Example 2, declare a variable with your full name. Let my name equals Asfazain. Now my name holds my full name. Example 3, alert a message using a variable. Let message equals hello world, alert, message. This will pop up an alert that says hello world. Example 4, store and show student bio and alerts. Let student name equals Shatsain, let his age equals 32, let his city equals Paris, let his qualification equals computer engineer, alert, student name, alert, his age. Alert, his city, alert, his qualification. Each alert will show one piece of your bio. If you like this video, please give us a huge thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Example 5, single variable showing multiple lines. Let pizza equals pizza /npizz/npiz/npi/np, alert, pizza. This shows the famous descending pizza example using /n for line breaks. Example 6, email address and string concatenation. Let email equals johnway@gmail.com, alert, my email is plus email. This combines static message with your variable using plus. Example 7, book name and alert. Let book equals a smarter way to learn JavaScript, alert, I am trying to learn from the book plus book. Here stored the name of my JavaScript book in a variable and used it inside an alert. Example 8, write text on the web page with JS. Document.write, yeah, I can write HTML content through JavaScript. Here we use document.write to send text directly from JavaScript to the browser screen. Example 9, fancy pattern in alert plus browser. Let design equals some fancy pattern, alert, this is fancy pattern plus design, document.write, fancy pattern. Thank you for watching.